Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Network, where we are going to be discussing everything from building your personal credit, building your business credit so that you can get funding and you can take advantage of the bank's rewards and points so that you can travel the world and also get some cash back into your pocket. In this episode, we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into Navy Federal. I want to discuss with you how to build out your relationship with Navy Federal. And one of the best ways of building out your relationship that I've found is by getting as many products as you can with that particular bank, Navy Federal. And this one way I'm going to help you guys right now, I'm going to show you how you can get right in with Navy Federal after you become a member. So in the last video, we discussed getting a pledge loan. And that is one of the products that you can get to be able to help you build that relationship. But some people can't qualify for their credit cards yet. And I have the in for you. I have the way to get in and get you that nice flagship card. So check this out. This is what you're going to want to do. Oh, wait, before you do that, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button for me. Show me that you like this content. If you haven't subscribed already, if you have, hit the like button because that lets me know that this kind of content is resonating. And we also have a free school group community right now that you can join that's in the description. So take a look at that. And so let me get right into it. We're going to start talking about building out this relationship with Navy Federal and using this technique. They have the best, in my opinion, the best secured credit card that you could possibly get. The secured credit card is going to be your in. What's great about this particular secured credit card is it can graduate into an unsecured credit card in as little as 6 months. Now, if you're asking what a secured credit card is, a secured credit card is basically using your money as collateral, and they take your money as collateral, hold it, and give you an actual credit card. So you'll get a credit card based off the money that you have in your savings account, and you'll use that money to be able to build a relationship with Navy Federal, and then also wait for them to give you the unsecured card. When it becomes unsecured, they will give you that money that you had in that account back to you and just let you use the credit because you've shown your credit worthiness to them. So that's one way of starting to build out your relationship with Navy Federal. Now that you have, so you can put as little as $250 into this particular secured credit card. I recommend you put the highest amount that you possibly can and use your credit, because that is the amount that's going to be given to you in the line of a credit when it becomes unsecured. Okay, so remember, a lot of people, it becomes unsecured in about a year. I've seen it as little as 6 to 7 months. So it depends on how you use this particular card for it to become unsecured. If you want help on how to use the card, join the community group in the description below, our VIP community group. It's free right now. We will show you techniques and ways that you can help move that process on faster to get it to unsecured. All right. So let me go over a couple of things about this secured credit card. This secured credit card is one of the best secured credit cards out there because of all that it has. You can actually be reward points. You can get 1x reward points. So the money that you have in your savings account can actually be building out dividends for you still. The money that you have in your savings account that you're using as collateral for this particular secured card is gaining dividends. So if you put a large amount of money in there, you're actually making money by doing this technique. So this card becomes the unsecured cash rewards card after it graduates from the secured card. And some people can get as much as $50,000. I just helped somebody get a $25,000 one, but it can go up to as much as $50,000 when it becomes your cash rewards card. So it can actually, that's why it's the top one, because it can really give you the highest credit limits that there is out there on the market right now. So how we were able to help our friend be able to get the card become from secured to unsecured and get her the higher limit was we helped her by putting on some authorized users onto her credit report. So what an authorized user is basically when someone jumps on your card and piggybacks as and they end up getting your age from your credit, and they also get the credit limit so on that reports on their credit report. And so what that does is that helps thicken the profile, their credit profile. Not only that, we got them 2 pledge loans. So they got the authorized users 2 pledge loans, and then their secured card graduated to an unsecured card. And that right there thickened their profile enough for Navy Federal to take a nice enough risk on them and getting them a high credit limit. We're going to revisit going back in about a year and get them the flagship, and hopefully we can get them upward to $50,000 to a $80,000 credit limit on a flagship. We're going to work the spending just enough, just in making sure we make our payments before the statement close date, and then running it up is to the limit as much as possible, then paying it down, running it up and paying it down. And we'll give you guys more techniques like this if you want to hear more about that kind of strategy in our free school group community. It's free right now because we're building it out. Later on, it may not be free, so I highly recommend you jump in now while you can and get on. So what I want you to understand also is that you don't want to pre-rush applying for the credit card. You want to make sure you wait until they in your app it says that you're pre-approved, right? So I can also tell you about a technique where you don't get a hard inquiry on your credit report. Okay, so when you go to apply for the unsecured card, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first get pre-approved, and when they give you your pre-approval, that you're pre-approved, before you accept, you're going to want to go in and put a freeze on your TransUnion, right? So go into your TransUnion account that you have that you can set up online, go into TransUnion, and then freeze that particular account, and then go back and accept the approval that Navy Federal gave you. And now you have gotten your Navy Federal cash rewards card, flagship card, whatever you choose to be able to get, without getting a hard inquiry on your credit report. So the reasons why we like this particular card is because it upgrades really fastly, and it has no annual fee. And then when you're traveling, there's no foreign transaction fee. You get 1 times the rewards. It comes from Navy Federal, and Navy Federal is the largest credit union in the nation, and it has some of the best products with the best credit limits. So now you're building out your relationship with this particular institution, and other institutions are going to see this and like this. And so even if it is a secured card when you first get it, what you need to know is that it's still reporting good on your credit report, and it's another trade line, right? And it doesn't matter if it's secured or unsecured, the algorithm is going to see it the same. So you're building up your credit report and you're building your relationship with Navy Federal at the same time. So I don't recommend you go get many of these type of secured cards, but getting this particular one is definitely a must if you can. If you need help on how to be able to become a member inside of Navy Federal, we can help you with that as well. Once again, join our community by clicking the link in the description. It's our school group community. And once again, right now it is free. Subscribe to this channel so that I can give you more game just like this, more information like this. I'm trying to do my best to be able to provide to you guys the value that I see in Navy Federal, because I think it was one of the best ways that you can actually build your credit scores and actually get high credit limits right out the gate when you're trying to build up your credit portfolio. All right. So they also have business products, and we're going to go into diving into that later on in another series. We're also going to go into diving into how you can use this bank to be able to get auto loans and also mortgages that they offer as well. So stay with us. We appreciate you staying here and tuning into us. with this on the Navy Federal secured card. I really think this is one of the best cards you can get. Make sure you get as high of a credit limit as possible. I think it goes up to like 5,000 if I'm not mistaken. So if you can get that, so when it turns unsecured, it becomes your credit limit. All right. So once again, thank you guys for stopping in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and then also join our free school group community so you can get more information like this. We love to be able to help you out. We love like-minded people. We want to see you travel. Look at some of the travel videos that we have inside of the playlist down below as well. And we'll see you on the next one. All right.